How to make natural Viagra using only 2 ingredients. Coined as nature's Viagra by Italian scientists, watermelon juice can provide a big benefit to men who suffer from mild to moderate erectile dysfunction. According to a study published in the journal Urology, citrulline, an amino acid found in high concentrations of watermelon, is found to improve blood flow to the penis without the side effects of Viagra. Made up of 92% water, a great source of vitamin C, and only 71 calories per serving, watermelon juice has become a fad that has attracted both weight loss hopefuls and those who want to treat their impotence. Many men have used this recipe for an alternative to Viagra. Necessary ingredients for homemade Viagra: watermelon, pomegranate. Some people add the juice of a lemon, water, blender, glass, strainer. So use twice as much watermelon as pomegranates and the juice of 1 lemon. This can be a quarter watermelon and 1 pomegranate. Mix them together in the blender. You can then strain if you want smooth juice, but eating the seeds and such might help the erection. Try it both ways. Some men can eat just the watermelon and feel an erection that is 50% better than normal. This powerful love potion works best when taken empty stomach, ideally early in the morning and before dinner, and anywhere between 2 tablespoons to first march of the cup, depending on the body weight and size. The mixture of the chemicals found in the watermelon and lemon juice aids in sending more blood flow to the private area for better performance and strength. This homemade Viagra is safe and effective for people of all ages and genders. The biggest problem with this is you might have to urinate a lot.